Welcome to my next video. This is part 3. In earlier video we talked about the course code, and then we talked about the semester exam schedule. In this video we will be looking at the new assignment given by the IGNOU. We have to submit this assignment by the end of April. But the problem with the assignment is that we have to write the answer of those questions from those chapters which we have not studied yet. As the exam is from June 16, we are unable to complete the course by the end of March. It may take end of April or first week of June, but we will be writing the answer for the assignment and submit the assignment by the end of April. There is also another problem, when we look at the question, it will be hard for us to guess from which chapter it is from. If you find the right chapter, then you can go to that chapter and read, study specific for that question, and then write the answer for the assignment. But it is also difficult if you are using the hard copy book. So my suggestion is you should have PDF of each book in your computer, and you can use Ctrl F to search that particular question in the PDF. Find the right chapter, then you can use the hard copy book. Today we will be looking at the assignment of particular subject. The first subject is environmental studies. As you know, you have to write answer for all these questions, no matter if your course is completed or not. You have to find the answer in the book and write the answer. For example, let's look at the question number 3. So question number 3 says, poverty amidst plenty, nature is bountiful but tribals are poor. Explain this statement with respect to forest resource. So from this question we are unable to tell from which chapter, from which block it belongs. We can guess it is from forest resources here. Okay. Similarly, we can guess from here it is non-conventional energy source, like that. But it is very difficult to find the exact pages. From it is question you can find it is from a marine ecosystem. You can guess if you have studied that block, that chapter, but if you haven't seen that subject, then it will be a bit of difficult. So we'll find a way how to find the right pages where this phrases is there. We'll study that paragraph and try to answer that question. Okay, so in environmental studies, in particularly this subject, the answer are not in the book. Okay, you have to give your own answer. Like the question will be justify the statement, elucidate your answer with suitable example. So you can find the example there, but you have to write a lot, 1-2 paragraph, for 8-mark question, and justifying, you have to give your own answer. You will only find the phrase there, the question, you will only find the question there. You have to study that paragraph and make your own answer. Okay, so we'll look, we'll try to find the pages in the textbook. So this is the textbook of environmental studies. This is the PDF format. If you don't have PDF of this book, you can comment in this video and I'll share the link, but it will be easy for you to find on Google or search the website of IGNOU. So while studying, handbook is better, but for doing the assignment you will need the PDF. Why? Because for that question number 3 which we talked earlier, if you want to find the phrase, if you want to find where this phrase is from the hard copy, then it will be impossible for you if you haven't read that chapter. If you don't remember where it is, by looking each pages it is not possible. So you can use this PDF, and PDF you can use the Control F. By using Control F, it will give a text box where you can paste the phrases which you want to search, like this, and it will give you the exact page from where it is taken, like this. It is taken from page number 98, and it is from the topic, from the section effect on tribal population and their right. Chapter is unit is 5.5. okay, unit is 5. So it is from forest resources. So the point is, you will find the exact phrase, exact paragraph from where it is taken, then you can read the whole paragraph to make your answer, because you will only find the phrase here, not answer, like this. From here it is said the condition of majority of tribal population in our country, but it doesn't say why they are poor. Okay, so you have to study the paragraph and make your own answer. Similarly, you can find the paragraph, you can find the chapter of all the questions, but if you find difficulty in understanding the question or writing the answer, then you can comment and I can share you the answers what I have written and what should be the right answer. Similarly, for other subject, there may be many difficulties while doing the assignment. I'll share that solution with you. For environmental studies, I think for doing the assignment, using PDF and studying the paragraph and writing your own answer is only the solution. Also, you should know that in semester exam, term exam, you don't have to write this paragraph. The question will be of objective type. There will be multiple choice question, and you only have to mark the right answer. For that, you have to study even the small details of date, like date, organization name, individual name, which is a kind of difficulty for people who can write their own answer, like, but for assignment, uh, you have to read the paragraph and write in your own words. So only this for this environmental study. In next video we will be looking the assignment questions of another subject, and I will try to help you on solving each question of all the subject. But for environmental studies, I think I don't have to go through all the questions. I only have to teach you how to do it fast and in easy way, and write your own answer. Okay, thank you for watching.